Beauties of nature. Nature is a treasure house of beauties of varied varieties. It is often said that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. That may be as it is, but in reality, the irresistible sights and sounds of nature cannot be said to be just a matter concerning the beholder. There can be hardly a person who will not like to see colorful, sweet-smelling flowers, mountain peaks covered with snow, sailing clouds, sea waves lashing the shores, and so on. It seems God has created this universe with great affection and an equal amount of deftness. The imitable, intricate designs just on a leaf of a tree, such as the people can speak volumes of beauty of nature and sincerity and caliber of God. If we go to any garden, we can see multifarious facets of beauties of nature. We can see there flowers of different colors and variety. We can see colorful birds humming and chirping in the trees. We can see colorful, sprightly fishes and water animals there if there is an aquarium or a pond. If we visit the place early in the morning, we can see iridescent dewdrops on blades of grass. In case we happen to go there at dawn, we can witness the charming beauty of the sunrise. Anybody, even the poorest, can enjoy the most alluring sights of the sunrise, the moon, and the stars. Nature has given us eyes to feast on the sides of hills, mountains, glaciers, lakes, cataracts, seas, oceans, clouds, stars, trees, flowers, birds, animals, rivers, and so on. If we do not look at the beauties of nature or cannot enjoy them, the fault lies with us. It can simply be speak our crass materialism, philistinism, and money-mindedness.